Control your blood sugar now. Blood sugar goes up from normal levels when you eat. If you have too much sugar or too much processed foods, what tends to happen is the blood sugar goes higher than the body can handle. So it's very important that you control your blood sugar and let it come back down to normal within an hour or two after eating. The way to do this is to eat lots of vegetables and fruits and nuts to be able to control that blood sugar. If you are constantly eating, snacking, eating processed foods, eating sugar, what happens is the blood sugar stays high and it causes brain damage, heart damage, kidney damage. It causes damage to the blood vessels and can create some major issues, especially things like diabetes. And so it's very important to control your blood sugar with only eating 2 to 3 meals a day, not snacking, and eating meals or eating foods that are not high in processed sugar and other junk food, so that it will keep your sugar levels down to normal, which are between 70 milligrams per deciliter and 100 milligrams per deciliter. Control your blood sugar or suffer the consequences.